baby's cry echoes within the distance, as it gets louder and louder as you walk towards where it is. Your first instinct is to go pick up the child and soothe the child, as a mother would. For this is not your child, but merely a child of innocence, one that you must protect, take care of, love. It was only right to pick up this child, to take her in your arms, comfort her, rock her to sleep, and watch this child sleep soundly. Dream over vast landscapes of horses and knights and beautiful little sheep that ran towards the village, and the sounds of the children climbing the trees. Just imagine the sounds of the children climbing the trees, singing and dancing. As they should. Not scared, not filled with fear, but singing and dancing among themselves, playing. You watch as this baby sleeps, and know that it is now your duty to take care of this child, to take her as your own, like a mother bear in the fields, caring for her baby bear, feeding it honey, catching it fish, and taking her towards the river to take a quick drink in the summer heat. She would know, and she would learn what her mother would teach her. Teach her how to survive and learn the tricks to survival. Now this was your duty, to teach this child how to survive, how to live. Teach this child. Watch this child learn one of many things. Keep her safe within your arms. Rock her to sleep through a stormy night as you listen to shatters of thunder echoing against your house. Keep her safe. Comfort her in times of fear, in times of hardship. Soon she shall learn.